Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, robotics and fischertechnik. This video is on my hydraulic set made with fischertechnik, with a manually operated and automated part with Python. Last time I made a video on finding why it failed on the latest convention, and I found that it had to do with the screw pump. And I concluded with the idea that it had to be replaced. This is the replacement, so that's the prime focus, and it needs reconstruction because it's not set to get this longer axis, which it is. The question is, of course, how I should put it in, and the first thing to do is obviously remove everything else. That is not as easy as it looks. But let's just start by removing this one. Then this one, and I should not touch the camera, but that's unavoidable at sometimes. Then obviously remove the old one. Alright, now it comes away. And it sounds simpler than it is. But once again, here is the brake. So I better should move this up. And reach the place where it comes apart, which is here. But does it really come apart there? It comes away. So, looking at all this, should I just put it in? No, because I have to look right here, right down. Take this part off. And how far should it go? Because that's a very different question, obviously. Putting it back in, it is too long. So this one has to be in this place, which raises another question: how do I secure everything when this part isn't there? Because this is the connecting stone with the bottom, which is going to go. That's a nice one. A question in between is, now I have this combination, but will it even fit? Question is, or answer is, yes, it will fit. It's long enough, and that is with 3 of those elements where a hole is in. Remains the question how to secure it with this. Still haven't found a solution, but I think I should figure out something in this way. So, keeping this part, obviously, I have to do something with that. So, for now this comes off. and right, and it comes on again, mounting it for now. And here comes a little bit of a problem, because I have to put it in like this. So taking off the motor maybe, who knows, because the motor is right there. With the mounting axis, which goes in here. Solution is fairly simple. I just remove the connection between this and the motor, which is right here. Then I put it inside here. Mounting and putting everything back together again. And there it is. Not mounted yet, not totally secure. That still has to come, but it's a start. And this has to be mounted again. But that's one thing. Alright, next step, the bottom side. Right there. And the way to connect those things is by putting this element in here. This one out of the way and this wire out of the way. Lift everything off the ground. And then top to bottom, which may not be that easy, by the way. And it might not even work this way, only top bottom. The problem is I have here a few notches where it won't go. It's off the ground, but it may just be enough. Let's see how this works out anyway. So this has to be connected, reconnected. So constructing this one, reconstructing. This one actually should go a little bit down, but I'll do it like this, just pulling up, going here, and actually this notch was to keep this in place, but I have now this rod, so this connecting part can go away, but let's keep it for now. And this one back where it was, and then I immediately see a problem with this lower part. It really should be top bottom and not bottom top. So that may give another problem, but I won't push it for now. I just want to see how it works out. And last time I did an extensive test, and it took 30 minutes, so I'm not going there now. Even speed up 16 times, it gives a long time to watch. But I'm going to run it for now and see whatever happens. So run it. Ah, there is a wire out. Okay. Something to fix. And this is a fairly thin wire, so it may become problematic to fix it. Yes, it's bending all ways except for the right one. Okay, taking this one out as well. Yeah, it's really thin. Actually not correct to use it again, but otherwise it takes a completely different wire or fixing the wire altogether. And this is a bit quicker. Hopefully it works out. No, it doesn't. So how do I fix this one? It's not very long. It has a little bit shortage. So I have a problem here. I managed to fix it anyway, except for this one that did go too high to my liking. So that is right, and I need to put the camera down. Yeah, I really need to shift this away. This is not going to work. Alright, this is better. Almost better. Now it's good. The only thing now is there enough water in the pistons? Yeah. Let me take some distance. Alright, can I see it both? No. Now I can. So keep an eye on this one, this piston. And keep an eye on the rubber band. And that is nicely working. So in the end it is working, but I'm not too happy with this one. But so far, well, it's reconstructed. Also you can see right here the two lamps are next to each other. Just cosmetic. And you can see them both running, so that's alright as well. And that's the end of this episode. It works out, and it's now one total rod. This is one total rod as well, but smaller, and I hope the problem simply won't occur anymore. If it does occur, I have another problem. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. Click the bell for notification. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram, and you can support via PayPal, Ko-fi and by becoming a patron. Please take a look at my website for other fischtechnik and embedded projects. This is going to be continued. Have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.